Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to try to decorate this vase that I've had, I don't know, a while. But anyhow, I'm going to try to make it look better. Keywords, try. I'm going to be using some dies from Poppystamps. They're Whittle heart frames and Whittle hearts. So those dies, and then I'm also using this transparent glitter vinyl. It's from StyletechCrafts. There's this red one and also the pink one. I love the little sparkles in there. So let's see. So first with this vase, if it stops rolling away from me, I'm going to use an alcohol pad here because I want to make sure that I get it clean, or somewhat clean at least, so the vinyl sticks to it. Okay, so now taking the dies, there's those ones, and then those. Let's see, I want to cut, I'm just going to cut a strip of each one of these. So now I am just going to cut a bunch of different hearts out of each one of these using my Gemini Junior. Using my Spellbinders tool here, tool-in-one, to get out the hearts. Okay, all the pretty hearts are cut out now, so now I am going to see if I can start decorating. So just kind of get an idea of how I want these. Like, I thought they were going to sit there for no particular reason and not slide off of a round surface. I don't know, but I did try that. So how about if I just start sticking them down and just winging it from here? Lots of times you can use transfer paper with this, but I didn't want to use the transfer paper. I just wanted to wing it and stick them down as I went along. And there we go. I added all the little hearts on there. I tied a pretty bow, or at least tried to tie a pretty bow, but my bow isn't perfect, but it'll work. So there you go. You can see all the hearts on there all the way around. Just randomly added them. And now all I need is some flowers. Hint, hint. Just kidding. Okay, here you go. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the like button too. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.